Hello, welcome back to Journey to Preservatory. I am back to this after a month. I'm, oh my god, I went through so much. Oh god, I went through so much shit in between now and then. That's why I didn't really do much with it. Oh my god. What the, wait. Okay, anyway. I'm back now, doing somewhat better. So I'm excited to get back to this. Oh my god. I don't really remember where much is, so it's one of those lizards. Some of this could just be me re-exploring areas I've already explored. And if it is, this might be kind of a chill episode. I hope to get to the preservatory obviously soon. I should have probably like done this series sooner. I don't care. I don't care how many views this gets. I just do this for fun because yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. And watching my other videos, like watching the past episodes I've had, I realized like, you know, I'm kind of monotone and like I don't talk a lot, so I'm gonna try to get better with that. Oh, I'll move my cursor out of the way. Oh, I remember this. I think this is where I was like, oh, is this the entrance to it? No, it's not. I don't think it is. Oh, there's a bunch of spears there. It's like the karma symbols. Shit. Oh, that was extremely lucky. Oh my god. We're gonna go up this way. Oh my god, I did beat the Saint campaign yesterday, and oh my god, it was so cool. I mean, like, shit. Like, it's really cool. Like, just like the ending, but oh my god, the swimming for like 10 minutes. That was not cool. That was kind of annoying. Saint has definitely had my Saint definitely has my favorite campaign. Like the storytelling in it is just, oh my god. I actually cried when I ascended 5 pebbles. I remember this and I was like, nothing here, I don't think. Oh, are you kidding me already? It's a short cycle, I guess, today. I remember this room all too well. Is that one eating the other one? I think it is. Um, okay. Oh, come on. Jeez! Hello? Okay. I think we're good. Okay, this looks kind of new. I don't think I've seen this before, and if I did, I don't remember. It's kind of reminding me of Garbage Waste. Oh, I think I might have seen this before. I don't know. Yeah, I've seen this before. I don't know. There's another way up there. It looked like I could go. Oh my gosh. A lot of what I've been doing lately, though, is I've been doing a lot of art. So, I don't really. Shit. Okay. Okay, I'm back, because I don't think I've gone this way before. I just watched... Oh, there's a shelter. I just watched one of those big lizards plummet to its death. I don't think I'm gonna show... I mean, maybe I should. Just for, like, convenience. My karma looks decent. Yeah, this is definitely new. I've never seen this before. I have no idea what the entrance to this place looks like, though, so... Um... Oh, shit. How do I get over there? Okay, maybe I will shelter. Yeah, I'm gonna... Oh, 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 I don't know if these guys are still pissed off at me for killing that one. Well, the threat music was playing, so I'm gonna assume so. I'm just gonna steer clear. This shelter is really pretty. So, like I said before, I was doing a lot of art, and, I have, I post it usually to my Instagram, because I don't really like posting it to a community tab, because it feels kind of, I don't know, it's just kind of off topic for what I do, usually. I don't know, but like, I swear to God, how am I supposed to get over there? Maybe what I'm supposed to do? I mean, I could just, like, do that and see what happens. I doubt I'd make it, though. Oh! Okay, I guess that works. Anyway, so I posted on my Instagram. I have my Instagram linked in my YouTube description if you want to check that out. I mean, I think my art's pretty cool with these. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. Oh, 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 there's a thing. This, I don't, I think this is another entrance to something. I think this is another entrance to something, because if I remember right, the Preservatory, the karma requirement is, max karma. So this is probably just Serene Grotto. Oh, I think I installed this. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. But I'm not entirely sure if I can get to the Preservatory from here. Let me look it up real quick. Okay, so it's looking like this leads to the Lushmire mod, which I have, but I don't, it doesn't connect to Preservatory or anything, but I did look. I just want to see how far away. What the hell? What do you people want? I don't have any spears, but it does. Oh, this is a cool shelter. It does, connect to Hanging Gardens, but it doesn't, like. Yeah, and I did look, and it said that Preservatory is at the top of Hanging Gardens. So if we just go back there, I probably will die here somewhere. Yeah, I'll just die here. Okay, so Preservatory is towards the top of Hanging Gardens, so if we just keep going up, we should get there. Hopefully. Some other day I'll explore Lushmire in my own time. I don't know if I'd make a video on that, but It said that they recommend you play as Survivor. Oh shit. That was stupid. Oh my god. That you play as Survivor your first playthrough through the region, but I'm not patient for Survivor, so maybe some other time I'll be able to go through and beat them. I did oh don't you freaking dare. I did think about maybe playing as Artificer for this, because she does have like normal explosion jump. What the? Are you serious? The 1 in 1,000 chance of an albino? Oh my god. That's like the third one I've seen. And I don't even play this game that much. Oh, that thing just. Shh. Oh my god. Gain consciousness. Shit. Okay. Oh my god. I've seen, I think, 2 albino vultures in my lifetime. I don't think I've, like, oh my god. They're so unbelievably rare. Well, I mean, not really, compared to like Minecraft rarities of things, but like they're still up there for like Rain World. And every albino vulture I've seen, I was playing as Rivulet. I guess Rivulet's just my luck. Is it gonna be back? Don't think so. Focus. There's the white lizard. Okay, let's not fall this time like an idiot. Why is the threat music playing? Maybe it's because there's a lizard down below. Okay, I recognize this room. I think I can probably outrun that lizard. Is this the same? Oh my god, it is. Why is... There is a thing up here that I know I've gone through, but I just want to... I don't remember if this region is going to be in the Watcher DLC or not. You didn't see that, Mr. Dropleg. I'm pretty sure Coral Caves is going to be, but I don't know if they would like, if they're going to like switch up the regions or not. I've been trying to stay as blind as possible going into Watcher. Are you kidding me? Why are you here? Why are you in the worst possible place? Like, I don't even know what a wind chime is. So yeah, Shh. I've been trying to go in as blind as possible. Are you... Oh, oh my god. What is this? What did I just witness? Oh my god. We're friends, right? Because you got a giant centipede. Oh my god. This is like the most interesting string of events I've ever seen. Okay. I think I can go up there, but I'm not exactly sure how. Is there like another passage? Oh, I think there is. Yeah. Gotta do the good old wall jumping. I used to be so bad at wall jumping and I hated doing it so much. Oh, this is new. I think I want to jump to conclusions, but this could be it. Oh, 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 oh. No, no. Because this is pretty high up. I don't really want to deal with you right now. I steal a spear from him. Okay, it doesn't look like he's gonna be a problem, hopefully. Oh, you can climb on these. I really... Oh, there's a shelter that way. That's good because I am near death. Or like the rain is coming. This is really cool though. Custom regions are really cool. I should explore them more often. I am such a gamer. Please be a shelter. What just fell out of that pipe? Oh my god, I don't like this. I don't like this at all because there's a bunch of different ways I could go. And I don't know which one has the shelter. And the rain is coming. Are you kidding me? What? No. No. Oh my god. Is that like a guaranteed chance or something? Because there's no way. Unless it's like the same one? Because, oh my god. Oh my, oh, this is not good. I was... Okay, you need to get up here, Rivulet. Please have a shelter. No! I can't do this! I need a shelter game! I speedrun this. Might be able to do it. But the thing is, these vines take so freaking long to climb. Oh, what? There's wind? Oh, I really don't like that. Oh god, it's raining. Oh my god, get up there, you stupid Slugcat. Yeah, maybe we can just outwait this. Alright, I'm back with a little more time from the rain that hopefully will help. Oh gosh. I still don't really like this. Oh, this looks important. Yes, is this it? I doubt it. I doubt it. But if it is, can't go through it any. Oh my gosh, this is it. Okay, this is it. I can't go through it at the moment, but we'll go through it next time after I do some karma grinding. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.